दीपस्य उज्ज्वलप्रकाशः तत्रैव परस्परवार्तालापे निमग्नाः। दीप के उज्ज्वल प्रकाश में तत्रैव देयर ओनली परस्पर विद इन देमसेल्व्स वार्तालापे engaged in talking nimagnaha engaged magna means to be fully concentrated engaged केचन पुरुषाः few men च तेन दृष्टा he saw मध्यरात्रे ग्रामीणानां ग्रामात् बहिः किं कार्यं स्यात् in the middle of the night मध्यरात्रि ग्रामीणानां the villagers ग्रामात् बहिः outside the gram बहिः is bahar outside. So what is the point of the villagers being outside the village? Kim karyam syat, kya kar rahe hain, what are they doing? Ete marg luntakaha nakil, these are, I hope, marg means road, luntakaha लूटने वाले, रॉबरी करने वाले, लूटना is robbery करना. So ete marg luntakaha nakil, are these the robbers? Iti subahu chintitvan, this is what he thought. Tada samipatah eva ashwanam khurputa dhvanihi spashtam shrutah, then he heard nearby only ashwanam khurputa dhvanihi, he heard the hooves of a horse spashtam, very clearly. वेगेन धावन्तः अश्वारोहिणः ते दीपस्य समीपे विद्यमानानां समीपम् आगत्य. वेग with speed, धावन्तः running or riding, ashwarohinah the one who was on the horse, arohan means to climb, ashva arohana to climb on the horse, the one who has climbed on the horse means the horseman. Te deepasya samipe vidyamananam samipam agatya, he went near the people who were with the flashlight. Kim bhoho, what happened? Hey you all, it's Kimbo is something like, hey, what are you doing? Idanim api atraiva santi, are you still here? Jalpanena vrutha kalayapanam kurvantah santi kil, are you just unnecessarily vrutha? Kalayapan, kal means time, yapan means to spend. Are you just spending time uselessly, vrutha? Etavata eva vilambah jatah, because of this there is a delay happening. Vilamba is delay. Agre gachantu tavat, go forward immediately. Iti vadantah swayam agre prasthitaha, saying so. Iti vadantah, vada means to say. Where do you say anything from? Your mouth. Where is your mouth? On your face. That is why the word for face is vadan. Vadant is saying. Iti vadantah, saying so. Swayam agre prasthitaha, he himself moved forward. Agre prasthitaha. I hope you all are also reading along with me. in your mind, because I have tried to make the font as big as possible. You should try to read along with me in your mind. एतत् सर्वं दृष्ट्वा सुबाहुः आश्चर्यम् अनुभूतवान्. Seeing all this, etat sarvam, all this, drashtva, seeing, subahuhu, ashcharyam, anubhutvan, he experienced wonder, or he was surprised. In English we say he was surprised, but in Sanskrit, because where do you feel surprise? You feel surprise in your heart or somewhere, in your mind. So you experience a surprise. And anything that you experience is called anubhuti. That is, you felt. So, krodham anubhutvan means he experienced anger. Shantim anubhutvan means he experienced peace. Ashcharyam anubhutvan, he experienced surprise. तेनैव सह तस्य मनसि संशयः अपि उत्पन्नः. Along with that, तेनैव सह, सह means along, together. तस्य मनसि, उसके मन में, in his mind, संशयः अपि उत्पन्नः, he also had a suspicion. दीपधारिणः ते न मार्गलुण्टाकाः. Those torch carriers are not robbers. अश्वारोहिणां जनानां वेषेण ज्ञायते यत् ते सैनिकाः इति. So, अश्वारोहिणां जनानां वेषेण, looking at the horseman's uniform. Jnayate, one can understand, one can learn. Yatte sainikaha iti, that they are soldiers. Evam tarhi kimete veerapurasya sainikaha. So, are these Veerpur Sainik? दीप समीपे स्थितैः जनैः कुत्र गन्तव्यम् अस्ति. Where did the people with the torch go? अश्वारोहिणाम् एतेषां च कः सम्बन्धः. What is the relation? कः means what? कः सम्बन्धः. Sambandha means relation, because bandha is the root. Bandha means anything that is tied. I have earlier described this word. Bandha means tied. Sambandha means that with which we are equally tied. So suppose I am somebody's brother. Then, I am brother to her and she is sister to me. We both are equally tied. Suppose somebody is uncle and nephew. So they both are, if one is uncle, then the other has to be nephew. And if another is nephew, then one has to be uncle. So there is an equal relationship between both, or they are tied by the same relation. That's why it is called sambandha. Kaha sambandha. What is the relationship between Ashwarohina, that is the guy who was riding the horse, and the ones who were carrying the torch? Etesham sandehanam yuktam uttaram praptavyam chet deep samipam eva gantavyam. Etesham sandehanam. Sandeha means doubt. Sandehanam means many doubts. Etesham, all these, not etat. Etat means this. Etat sandeha means this doubt, but etesham sandehana. These doubts to get the appropriate answer, yuktam uttaram praptavyam, to get a proper answer, deepa samipam eva gantavyam. We have to go near the torchlight people. वार्तालापेन एव सर्वं सुस्पष्टं ज्ञातुं शक्यते. By talking only, I will get a clear answer, or I will get to know clearly what is the whole business. Iti sah chintitavan. This is what he thought. Chintitavan, chintana means to think. Tasya manasi punarapi sandehah. His mind had punarapi, again, sandehah, doubt. यदि ते वीरपर्याः तर्हि तेषां सकाशात् अश्वम् एकम्. If they are of Veerpur, Veerpariyaha means the people of Veerpur. So in Sanskrit, for example, there was a Singaporean, you would say Singapariyaha. Okay. Or if there was a Kanpur, somebody from Kanpur, then you will say Kanpariyaha. And you'll be very surprised that even today in Hindi, somebody who stays in Kanpur is called Kanpariya. And somebody who stays in Rajpur is called Rajpariya. Okay. And somebody who stays in Dungarpur is called Dungarpuriya. So in local languages, it is still called same as it is called in Sanskrit. Somebody from Veerpur is Veerpariyaha. Somebody from Singapore would be Singapariyaha. So he had a doubt in his mind कि if they are from Veerpur, tarhi tesham sakashat ashwam ekam svikritya शीघ्रं वीरपुरं प्राप्नुं शक्नोमि किंतु यदि ते शत्रवः स्युः. So if they are from Veerpur, then I can get a horse from them, and very quickly, see, he is looking at them, I can get a horse and I can ride to Veerpur. Veerpuram praptum. So here in Sanskrit, you are not saying I will ride to Veerpur. You are saying I will get Veerpur. Praptum means to get. Right? So Veerpuram praptum means I will get Veerpur, which is same thing as saying that I will get to Veerpur or I will reach Veerpur. You don't say I go to Veerpur. You say I reach Veerpur. But if they are enemies, kintu, but yadi, if they, Shatravah, enemies Syuhu, if they are enemies, dot, 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 dot. That means he could imagine that just now he has been tried multiple times. They tried shooting him with a arrow. They brought down his horse. He had found himself hanging on a mountain with Lata, and then somehow he had made a danda and barely got out of that place from amongst lions and tigers and jackals and whatnot. And finally, he reaches the village and he is again caught by them. So that idea was very not appealing. Subahu swavastrani parishilitavan. Subahu swavastrani. Swa means self. Vastrani means kapde. He looked at his clothes. Parishilitavan. He analyzed his clothes. Parishilitavan is watch closely or carefully analyze. ठीक है, or studying. So he looked at his clothes carefully, although his kapde were phatke tutke, so there was no need of careful study also. It was very evident that in the middle of a night, here is a man with all clothes torn down and probably full of sweat and rolled on the ground with all the earth on his face. What excuse can he say? Can he say that he has just gotten up from his sleep and he was just wandering around? छिन्नेन वस्त्रेण आवृतः अहम कः इति कोऽपि ज्ञातुं न शक्नोति. टुटके फुटके कपड़े पहने हुए मुझे अहम कः इति कोई भी कोऽपि ज्ञातुं न शक्नोति कोई भी मुझे जान नहीं पाएगा. ज्ञान जान ज्ञातुम न जान पाएगा. यत् किमपि भवतु नाम धैर्यं सर्वत्र साधनम. Whatever be my name, that means he was inventing a name for himself. He thought that nobody will be able to recognize him. Of course, I was thinking differently. I think that if I was a soldier, I would have said that, what the hell are you doing in the middle of the night roaming around over here? And I would get suspicious and I would first thing do is catch this guy. But this is a story, so we'll let the story flow. And so Subahu gets to decide how the soldiers are going to think. So he says, I will just think of some name for myself. Dhairyam Sarvatra Sadhanam. Patience patience gets you everything. Sarvatra Sadhanam means you can get or you can achieve anything with patience. Dhairyavataha Purushasya Vishaye Eva Daivam Anukulakaram Bhavishyati. Dhairyavat, patient man. Vat means the one who has. Okay? Dhairyavat, the one who has patience. So, Purushasya Vishaya Eva, about a person who is patient, Daivam Anukulakaram Bhavishyati. Daivam, that is destiny or the wishes of the gods, become, bhavishyati, become, anukulakaram. What do they become? They become suitable for him. That means whatever he was wishing or hoping for, things happen according to that for a purush who is patient. Dhairyakaram, dhairyavata. Iti nishchitya sah dhairyam praptavan. Thinking like this, deciding like this, he steadied himself. Anantaram sandehan sarvan aviganya deep prakashasya samipam gatvan. After that, anantaram sandehan, doubts, sarvan, sagade, sarva, aviganya, that means avoiding or discounting or forgetting about all the doubts, Deepa Prakashasya Samipam Gatvan. He went close to the torchbearer's lights. Yavat Sah Samipam Gatvan Tada Te Tam Drashtavantah. Yavat, when, Sah, he, Samipam, near, Gatvan, went, when he went nearby, Tada, then, Te, they, Tam, him, Drashtavantah, saw. So when he went nearby, they saw him. Etam drashtva kaschit uktvam. उसे देखकर कोई तो बोला. कश्चित इतः एव आगच्छन् अस्ति. कोई तो, कश्चित. You see how even our Bombaya Hindi still retains some of the Sanskrit sound. कोई तो, कश्चित, इतः एव, इधर ही, आगच्छन् अस्ति, आ रहा है. अये भिक्षुकः, ओए भिखारी. भिक्षुक इज भिखारी, जो भिक्षा लेता है. भिक्षा मीन्स बेगिंग. इतः परम गृहं गृहं गत्वा भिक्षायाचनस्य आवश्यकता एव नास्ति. इतः परम, यहाँ से, अब से, आफ्टर दिस, गृहम गृहम, घर घर जाकर, गृहम गृहम गत्वा, भिक्षा याचना, भिक्षा मांगना, याचना करना मीन्स मांगना, याचन मीन्स टू आस्क. There is no need to ask going every house for bhiksha anymore. Drushtam tu sthulah bhati. Looks like you're dumb. Sthula is thick, you know. So when somebody says looks like you're thick, he doesn't mean you're fat. What he means is looks like you are little dumb. Agachatu tavat. So kalana. You know, this is what they have been telling the Bhikharis from ancient times. कल आना, आगे बढ़, कल आना. श्वः प्रातः कालतः पूर्वं वयं वीरपुरं लुण्ठयाम. कल सुबह, श्वः मीन्स कल, प्रातः कालतः, प्रातः काल से, ओके, प्रातः मीन्स मॉर्निंग, पूर्वम प्रातः काल के पूर्व में यानी बिफोर मॉर्निंग, वयम वीरपुरम लुंठयाम, वी आर गोइंग टू लूट वीरपुर. यदि धैर्यम अस्ति आगच्छतु, अगर तेरे में हिम्मत है तो आ जाना. एक दिनाभ्यंतरे भवान अपि लक्षाधीशः भवितुम अर्हति. इन वन डे, एक दिनाभ्यंतरे, आफ्टर वन डे, भवान अपि, तू भी, यू विल ऑल्सो, लक्षाधीशम, लक्ष इज लैक्स, you will become owner of lakhs after a day. किम आगच्छति, आएगा क्या, will you come. तावत् धैर्यम अस्ति, उतनी हिम्मत है. मुष्टि युद्धम कर्तुम जानाति किल, do you know how to do boxing, how to punch. Mushti means once you make your hand into a, what do you call, a punch, yeah. So once you make your hand into a punch, that's mushti. Yuddham, yuddham is fight. Mushti yuddham is like, you know, punch fight. Kartum janati, जानते हो, बॉक्सिंग करना जानते हो. यदि न यदि न जानाति तर्हि चिंता मास्तु. If you don't know, then also there is no problem. I guess this guy has no problem because, you know, he's not the one who is going to get boxed. He's saying if you don't know how to box, no problem. Vayam sarvam api pathayamah. We will, vayam sarvam, we all will teach you. I guess they are going to teach him by beating him up. Iti वचनभंग्या एव सुबाहुः ज्ञातवान् यत् एते सर्वे पानमत्ताः सन्ति. Very interesting sentence. I was just thinking that why is this man talking like stupid? That you come tomorrow, we will teach you how to box. You know, don't worry. This thing, that thing. So now the answer comes. Vachana bhangaya. Bhang means टूटा फूटा, भंग means तोड़ना, टूटा हुआ. वचन भंग, बोलने में टूटा फूटा, you know. So from the broken language which these people were talking, Subahu Gnatvan, Subahu came to know, Yat, that, Ete Sarve, all these. Ete means all, Ete means these, Sarve means all. All these guys are Panamattaha, they are drunks. They have fully drunk and now they're just having fun at somebody's expense, you know. If he doesn't kisko fatafat from here, they may start teaching him boxing by starting boxing him. Even now. Ete Shatrupakshiyaha. These people are the enemy territory. He realized immediately that these guys are all enemies, and there's no point in hanging around over here because you never know. They are all drunk and they may, just decide to start a fight. Iti gnatva, understanding this, Subahu kinchita nirashah. Subahu became a little disappointed. Nirashah. Asha means to have expectation or hope. Nirashah means no hope. तथापि मनः समाधानं प्राप्नुवन्. Still, तथापि मनः समाधानं. He felt a samadhan. He felt a kind of satisfaction. What satisfaction he felt? Evam va. Oh, like that. भवन्तः वीरपुरस्य उपरि आक्रमणं कुर्वन्ति वा? You all are bhavantah. Veerpurasya upari. You are going to attack on Veerpur. Tarhi aham api agacchami. He said, I am also coming. Mayyam dhanam kim api mastu. I don't want any money. Mayyam means to me. For me, dhanam kim api mastu. I don't want any money. Annam adrashtva Bahuni dinani atitani. Annam. Anna means grains or food. Adrashtva. खाना देखा ही नहीं है. I have not seen food for so many days. Bahuni dinani. बहुत दिन से खाना देखा ही नहीं है. अतः प्रथमम किंचित अन्नम पातुम जलम च दत्तम चेत उपकाराय भवेत. Therefore, अतः प्रथमम किंचित अन्नम. पहले थोड़ा खाना. पातुम जलम. थोड़ा पानी पिलाइए. पीने के लिए पानी. दत्तम दीजिए. गिव मी some water to drink and give me some food. उपकाराय भवेत. It will be a big gratitude. अनंतरम भवन्तः यत् वदन्ति तत् कर्तुं सिद्धः अस्मि. After that, anantaram, bhavantah, aap log, you all, yat vadanti, whatever you say, tat kartum siddhah asmi. I am capable of doing anything that you say. Iti saha uktvan. That's what he told them. He probably thought that, that way I will get at least some food and a way to get to Veerpur along with these robbers. सैनिकः किमपि उत्तरं दातुं सिद्धः. I don't understand this sentence because I don't know why they have used Uttaram Datum Siddha. So I'll leave this sentence. तावती काले केचन अश्वारोहिणः वेगेन तत्र आगतवन्तः. At that time, तावती काले, तब, केचन अश्वारोहिणः, some horse rider, वेगेन तत्र आगतवन्तः. He came riding fast. सर्पकेतु महाराजः जयतात् इति घोषणं कुर्वन्तः. सर्पकेतु महाराज की जय. इति घोषणं कुर्वन्तः. ऐसी घोषणा उसने की. घोष करना मीन्स आवाज करना, चिल्लाना. तो अधिकार दर्पेण ते उक्तवन्तः. showing a lot of authority. Adhikara darpena, with a show of authority. Te uktavantah, he said, sarve siddhaha va. Everything is all right. Anantaram tat vismrutam. Give me a second because I'm trying to understand what is he saying over here. Okay. Sarvehe siddhaha va. Everything is ready. Siddhaha means everything has been achieved. So whatever you plan, whatever you planned, everything is settled, everything is achieved, everything is done. Anantaram tat vismrutam. Later on, it will be forgotten. Etat vismrutam iti vyajah na vyaktavyah. Don't say that we forgot this or we forgot that. It was kind of a preparation. So he says, don't forget, don't say later that, that we forgot this or that. Prasthananantaram tu punaschintanam nasti eva. After starting off, prasthan means to start, to go towards. Once we begin, once we start, punah punaschintanam nasti eva. There is no second thought. There is no chance, there is no time to think twice. Bhavatsu kopi veerapuriyah nasti kila. None of you is from Virpur, no. See, veerapuriyah. None of you is from Virpur, no. Ante khed pradarsenayana kimapi prayojanam nasti eva. Later on, there is no point in being sorry. He says कि everything is achieved, everything is settled. I hope you have not forgotten anything because there is not going to be a second chance. We'll not get to come back or something. And so, I hope there is nobody from Veerpur here. अगर कोई है, if there is anybody, बोल देना. बाद में बहुत बुरा होगा. मतलब, if later on there will be, you will be sorry. There will be no point of being sorry. If anybody is from Veerpur, अभी बोल दो. Why was he saying that? Because they were going to attack Veerpur. So it was natural that he wanted to know that if anybody who is going to attack Veerpur, if they are from Veerpur, they may go ahead and tell them that the enemies are coming. तदा सैनिकेषु एकः सुबाहुं प्रदर्शयन् उक्तवान्. तब तदा सैनिकों में से फ्रॉम विद इन द सोल्जर्स एक जन ने सुबाहुम प्रदर्शयन उक्तवान, सुबाहु को दिखाया और बोला, अस्मासु कोपि वीरपुरीयः नास्ति. हमारे में से, हम में से कोई भी वीरपुरीय नहीं है. एषः एकः इदानीम आगतवान. This one guy has just arrived. इदानीम आगतवान. आगतवान इज आना, इदानीम इज अभी. ठीक है. एषः एक, ये एक अकेला अभी आया है. एषः कुत्रत्यः इति वयम न जानामि. ये किधर का है? Where does this guy belong to? That we don't know. अश्वारोहिषु एकः अश्वं प्रेरयन् सुबाहु समीपम आगतवान. The one of the soldiers led his horse. एकः अश्वम प्रेरयन्. He, प्रेरणा means to lead करना. ठीक है. He led his horse towards Subahu. Subahu samipam आगतवान. He came close to Subahu. अन्ये अश्वारोहिणः अपि तम अनुसृतवन्तः. The other soldiers, अन्ये is other, अश्वारोहिणः is soldiers, api, those soldiers also followed him. Anusruta, we have seen this word a couple of times now. Anuchara, anusah, anusruta. So the others followed him. Swakiyam ashvam subahu samipam anitavantah. They brought swakiyam, unka, अश्वम घोड़ा, सुबाहु समीपम, सुबाहु के पास. आनितवंतः आणला, स्वतःचा घोडा सुबाहू समीप यानी नजदीक, आणला આનિતવંતઃ પોતાનો ઘોડો સુબાહુની નજીક લાવ્યો. સ્વકીયમ અશ્વમ સુબાહુ સમીપમ આનિતવંતઃ. Anuvartate means it will be continued. So this story will be continued later. The next story is different. We have already read this, but this story will continue. So what we are going to do is we will next time read from the next version of Chanda Mama to actually continue with this story so that it remains interesting. Now I want you all to just tell me, has anybody not been able to get the link to this story? Or I hope everybody has got the story and they are reading on their own with the help of their mothers and parents and whoever. Has everybody got it?
Yeah.
Vasudha, have you got this story?
I got it.
Great. You have to sit along with your mother and try to read it, all right?
Yes, we got it.
Very nice. Sonia, I already know you have got it. So I think Ahan is the only guy I have not. Ahan, have you got it?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, so now after we have read so far, that is the story that I have put up. I will now put the next part of this story also after this call, and in the same place I will also have links to the past recordings, which I have already now shared on YouTube. So I will continue to upload these stories on YouTube. What you can do is you can go and listen to that story couple of times and then try to read on your own. Don't bother about trying to follow line by line and then stopping the video and then trying to read the same part again and all that. It's all right if you read badly. Over a period of time you are anyways going to learn. It's more important to listen to the video again very carefully, because many words, how they are supposed to be pronounced, etc., is more important. And anyway, in the videos, you are going to get this screen with the whatever is the written material. So you might as well, look into the video and try to read along with whatever is happening. All right. Okay. Thank you for coming 5 minutes before the class. Because of that, we are able to finish exactly on time. See you on Thursday, 4 o'clock. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.